Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change window size in DaVinci Resolve. So changing the window size is really easy. So let's say I want to make my preview screen bigger. So for that I just need to take my cursor here, and then you'll notice that your cursor will turn into this resize line, and then you can just drag down like this to change the size for your overlay. If you want to make your timeline more visible, then you can drag up like this, and then you can see your timeline on bigger scale. So let's say I want to change the size for my inspector panel. For that I just need to go down here, and then the cursor will turn into resize line. If you go toward this side, then as you can see the resize line is not appearing because we cannot change the inspector size from this side, so we can only change it from bottom like this. In case you want to make your inspector panel go beyond your timeline, then for that just click on this drop down arrow, and then the inspector panel will be expanded, and to shrink it again click on the same icon. And if you want to resize media pool and effects panel, then for that we just have to go toward them, and then our cursor will turn into this resize line. Then you can just drag to right or left to adjust the size for these panels. And to disable any of the panel, just click on the panel name, and then the panels will be disabled. I also want to disable inspector panel. Now I have two screens here. If I want to disable this one, then for that just click on this viewer mode, and then only your main screen will be visible. And resizing works the same way across all of these pages, but if you are using color page, then here the things works a little different. So let's say I want to get my viewer mode a little larger. For that I cannot drag it like I did in edit page. Instead we have to disable unwanted panels. For that just click on the unwanted panels like this. I also want to disable timeline. Let's disable clips as well, and then you'll notice that the viewer is now bigger. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe.